Hey everyone, I'm Chef Frohne and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm gonna help you master some simple, everyday grilling recipes. I know it can be a hassle to get food on the table after a long day, but it doesn't have to be. All you need is 30 minutes, some simple tools and ingredients from Masterbuilt, Kingsford, and Walmart. Today we're making some grilled shrimp skewers with a refreshing watermelon feta salad and drizzled with a sriracha hot honey. In just 30 minutes. Let's get to it. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal with applewood. I'm setting the dial to 450 and it'll be ready in just about 10 minutes. We're gonna start by mixing our watermelon salad in a bowl. Now we're gonna add honey and sriracha to a bowl and just set it aside. Let's season the shrimp and add them to skewers. And just a pro tip, if you're using wooden skewers, make sure you soak them in cold water to prevent them from burning on the grill. Now we're gonna grill our shrimp. You gotta be careful, they only take 2 to 3 minutes on each side. All right, so let's put it all together. And there it is. It doesn't get any easier than this for a simple weeknight meal. You got the sweet and smoky flavor on the shrimp from the Kingsford with applewood, a refreshing watermelon salad, and a good kick of heat from the sriracha hot honey, all in under 30 minutes. You can grab this recipe and other simple 30-minute meals that you can master at home right here. Shop Walmart for your Gravity Series 800 and Kingsford charcoal. I'll see you next time.